Many teachers find it difficult to teach electronics because they don't have the basic rules or regulations in place. One good thing to remember in teaching electronics is you are using devices that are appropriate data sheets. These data sheets have been produced by the companies at considerable cost and therefore have value to you to use. So for example, a simple light emitting diode is very useful because in the features statement it says what's good thing about it, the benefits, and for the teacher's point of view, applications. So a light emitting diode is not used just for little projects in the class, it is used for traffic lights, inside cars, etc. So that's the first thing to look at the data sheet, is the general purpose information in the front sheet. We then go on to the next page, and here we'll see some information about the particular codes and their colours. So you can see in this case there are many LEDs, different codes, and different intensities. So if using a red LED, for example, it may be available in 5 or 6 different grades, all giving out different intensity at a particular current. We then go on to the amber and the green and red orange colours, and after we've gone through this rather large section of the products, we go on to an ordering code, which students should be aware if they have to buy particular devices for their project. And then the most important thing is a picture of the device where the pins are, and then we go on to the electrical features. So here we find the important requirement for the LED, and that is typical current is 50 milliamps. The average current is 30 milliamps. You can give a high current pulse. It gives you an idea of the operating temperature. It gives you an idea of the soldering time for both dragging and through soldering. This one is what you're doing in the classroom typically. We then go on to some information about the optical characteristics, that is how much light is produced at a particular current. And then we have some graphs, and these graphs are very useful because this one here in particular shows what happens when you increase the current for the LED. Normally we said 25 milliamps gives us this particular unit of light. If we go to much higher currents, light increases, but you notice past this point there's nothing. The device may not operate past this point and basically burn up. So that sheet will tell the students why it's important to have a current limiting resistor in the circuit. The other graphs show what happens for the light intensity. So if you're trying to illuminate a wide patch of area with a LED, you can see that a certain 15 degrees is the only angle the light comes through at it. You have to use some optics or whatever to make that beam broader if you need to illuminate some area of the system. So the data sheet, in summary, is very important. Produced by the manufacturer at considerable expense, holds all the information you require, readily obtainable from the website of the particular suppliers, and you should get into the habit of getting these data sheets for the project as part of a data pack per student.